out the window. We could wake up anywhere tomorrow.